Hello. So this is the DC circuits lab. I think it's lab 3. So you have I forget what it's called, the thing that you use to control the flow. And it changes how much resistance it has. I forget what it's called. And then here I have a resistor. It's a 220 ohm resistor. Unfortunately my kit, where is it? Here it is. The kit that I got has the wrong kind of motor. It has like a step motor instead of the servo motor. So unfortunately I wasn't able to use it for this. So I just decided to use a resistor and do the math with it instead. Unfortunately you can't get the same visual effects. But if you use the thing, you can still see the difference, the change in volts, which I have on these sheets over here. So without the resistor on it, this is the measurements for the ohms and volts with my 8 different measurements. So this is like, I measured it once at closed with, so all 10 kilo ohms were on it. Then I measured, and so that was with 0. Then I measured it with the subsequent ones with something else attached to it, with it plugged in, so it would go down every time. And then with the resistor, I had a 220 ohm resistor, so I just did the math, and this was so for all my measurements up here, that's basically, so like the 10 up here, you just put it down here, so it's like closed, when it's all 10 kilo ohms, this thing took up 4.1 volts, and the resistor took up 9. Same going down until the resistor took all 5. Yeah, I can show you with an LED the difference. But unfortunately I don't have the motor. You can see how when it goes down, it goes up and down. I didn't use the LED for this one though. I used the resistor to calculate and measure it. But yeah. Also you can see the lights. On here also are affected, on the Arduino board itself, are also affected by it. It's kind of cool. But yeah, besides for that, I'll send a picture of this chart. And most of that math I just did on some scratch. There's no real, I don't have anything like clear written out. I did most of it on the calculator, so that's about it for the lab.